Welcome to my review of Gridsome, a cutting-edge website builder specifically designed for creating fast and scalable Jamstack websites. If you're looking to build a site with a modern framework that's optimized for performance and SEO, Gridsome might be the perfect tool for you. In this video, I will walk you through my experience with Gridsome, highlighting its core features, performance, and user experience. Gridsome is a static site generator that leverages the power of modern JavaScript frameworks like Vue.js to deliver fast, highly optimized websites. One of the standout features of Gridsome is its ability to pre-render your pages, which results in near-instant load times. This is a major benefit for SEO, as search engines favor websites that load quickly. Gridsome also makes it easy to integrate data from various sources, whether it's Markdown files, CMSs, or APIs. This gives you a lot of flexibility when creating content-rich websites. When you first get started with Gridsome, you'll notice the clean and simple setup process. You can easily get a project up and running with just a few commands in your terminal. The official documentation is clear and thorough, making it accessible even for developers who are relatively new to Jamstack. One of the things I really appreciated about Gridsome is its support for GraphQL. This powerful query language allows you to easily retrieve data from your various sources and integrate it into your website. Whether you're pulling data from a headless CMS or other third-party services, Gridsome handles it seamlessly. The flexibility here is incredible, allowing you to scale your website as needed. Another great aspect of Gridsome is its focus on SEO. Not only does the pre-rendering process help with page speed, but Gridsome also includes built-in features for optimizing metadata, creating sitemaps, and generating other SEO-friendly components. For anyone serious about ranking well on Google, these features are a real asset. While Gridsome excels in many areas, it may not be for everyone. If you're looking for a no-code solution or a drag-and-drop interface, Gridsome may feel a bit too complex, as it requires some development knowledge. However, for developers familiar with Vue.js and looking for a fast and flexible solution for building static websites, Gridsome is hard to beat. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that might help you with your website building journey. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. In conclusion, Gridsome is an excellent choice for developers who want to build fast, SEO-friendly static websites using a modern JavaScript framework. Its use of Vue.js and GraphQL, along with its focus on performance and scalability, makes it a standout in the Jamstack ecosystem. If you're a developer looking for a powerful static site generator, Gridsome should definitely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.